The next assumes that you got to this screen in the last video, and it gives you a link to run, which is called the front end hello world. We're going to go ahead and load this, and it's going to get into the guides. It goes through a lot of stuff, but we're going to scroll all the way down till we get to the very first step, where it says steps. Okay, I move these windows aside so that you can get to the terminal and the directions at the same time. So, and then I went ahead and cleared out my terminal window. We're going to go ahead and copy this first command, going all the way over. I'm going to paste it into the terminal. Okay, so that worked. We're going to then take the second command, which is changing to a directory called Predix Node.js starter. So let's go ahead and look at the directories in here, and you can see our starter directory. All right, so now we can look and see what's inside this directory. The next command is we're going to build our node application. This is Node.js. And it's building. A lot of warnings. Okay. And then our next command, we have to open the manifest file and give it a unique name. Let's look and see. All right, this is our manifest file, and we're going to go ahead and give it a unique name in here. We're going to call this one Mike Node 1. All right, let's go ahead and write that. Let's see if there's any other place I have to put that in. Doesn't look like it. Write the file and exit. All right. You guys think I'm not a beginner, but I'll tell you, I'm a beginner. So then we're going to go ahead and choose this command here. I think this command is needed because I'm already logged in to Cloud Foundry. So now we're going to just push our application. And it failed. Okay, the reason why I got that error message is I discovered that my manifest file needs to have a unique name in here. And it just said starter, and I needed to actually add something to the end of that name, which of course the documentation didn't tell me. So we're going to go ahead and write this out, and we're going to go ahead and try again. CF push. And it got past the error message that it was going through before, and seems to be getting to the next step. Let's see if this is going to work. So far, so good. Lots of stuff is happening behind the scenes. All right, let's go ahead and type CF apps. And we can see our starter app running. And we can see the app that we tried to get running that failed. And so the next step is we're going to go into a browser. And let's see here, this is the browser command. Okay, the next thing in the documentation it says is that you've got to take this command here and paste it into your browser. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And our application is not this. It's what came up in CF apps, which is dash mic. All right. And it came up with this screen, which is good news. My first Predix sample application. Welcome to node.js. All right, it worked. Let's see if there's another. It says now to look at the code you downloaded and visit index.html. So we've got a lot of code in here that we downloaded. You can go ahead and look at that in another video.